How to view achievement in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out at the achievements. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here, we in this profile settings. Here, slowly scroll down. So on the bottom, there's an achievement section. Simply tap on view all. So this is the place where you can see what's your achievement. Here there are different awards that you can get. So here on my case, there are mainly two of them, most XP and longest trek. So you can win by competing it with other friends, and it is a type of challenge, and you can even give other personal records of your own too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.